Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by deciding between non-custodial wallets and custodial wallets. Non-custodial gives you full private key control, while custodial means a third party manages keys. Choose a reputable wallet app or hardware device and check its open source status, reviews, and supported networks. Non-custodial wallets will present a 12-word or 24-word seed phrase that you must back up securely. Set a strong password of at least 12 characters and enable two-factor authentication when available. When creating the wallet, write your 12-word or 24-word seed phrase on paper immediately and do not take photos or store it in cloud notes. Make 3 physical copies and keep them in separate secure locations such as a safety deposit box, and a trusted relative's secure place. Never share your seed phrase over messages, email, or phone. Enable a device PIN and biometric lock, and consider using a hardware wallet for large balances to keep keys offline. Fund your new wallet by sending a small test amount such as 0.01 ETH or an equivalent native token before transferring larger sums to confirm addresses and fees. Add tokens by importing contract addresses when needed, and always preview gas fees and network selection before confirming a transaction. For long-term safety, regularly update wallet software, verify that your seed phrase backups remain intact after any change, and rotate passwords or move assets to a new wallet.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.